A significant winter storm is moving across the northern U.S., and this will bring impacts to the Ohio Valley starting tomorrow. We're looking at heavy rain, strong winds, and a sharp temperature drop, with gusts up to 20 miles per hour in Chicago tonight. Let's break down the timing and what you need to know for our area. Good morning. Let's start with what's happening across the country this morning. In the Great Lakes region, heavy lake-effect snow is impacting areas downwind from Lake Superior, parts of Michigan's Lower Peninsula, and regions near Lakes Erie and Ontario. Snowfall rates could reach 1 to 2 inches per hour, leading to accumulations upwards of a foot or more by Saturday morning. Quick bursts of intense snow known as snow squalls are also expected across the interior Northeast, which can create dangerous whiteout conditions for drivers. Moving westward, another winter storm is affecting the northern plains and parts of the Midwest, bringing heavy snowfall and hazardous travel conditions through Saturday. The cold air associated with this system has set in, bringing well below average temperatures to much of the eastern and central U.S. So be sure to bundle up if you're heading outside. Looking ahead into next week, a low-pressure system will develop near the Gulf Coast and move up along the East Coast by Tuesday. This system is expected to bring heavy rainfall to areas from the southeast all the way up to the eastern seaboard. For those living in the interior Northeast, there's a chance of seeing some wintry weather as this storm moves through. The best chances of snow will be across interior New England. Now let's look ahead over the next few days with an extended outlook. Starting on Monday, we have a system moving from the Gulf Coast towards the East Coast by Tuesday. This system is expected to bring heavy rainfall to areas from the southeast all the way up to the eastern seaboard. For those living in the interior Northeast, there's a chance of seeing some wintry weather as this storm moves through. The models are giving us a good picture of what's coming, but remember, there's always an element of uncertainty when it comes to predicting exactly how these systems will evolve. As we move into Wednesday, another system is expected to dive into the western part of the country, which could potentially lead to some interesting changes in weather patterns as we head towards the end of next week. Now, let's focus on our area in the Ohio Valley and what you can expect today in Illinois. Chicago will see mostly clear skies overnight with a low around 24 degrees. There will be some gusty winds from the northwest at about 15 miles per hour, so keep those umbrellas handy if you're out and about. Friday looks to be mostly sunny with a high near 31 degrees. Over in Aurora, it's going to be mostly clear overnight with a low around 22 degrees. The wind will be from the northwest at around 10 miles per hour. Friday should be a nice sunny day, with temperatures reaching about 31 degrees before dropping slightly to around 28 by the afternoon. In Naperville, you can expect a mostly clear night with a low of around 22 degrees and winds from the northwest at around 10 miles per hour. The gusts could reach up to 20 miles per hour, so be careful if you're driving in the morning. Friday will see sunny skies with temperatures reaching near 30 degrees. Moving over to Indiana, Indianapolis is looking sunny today, with a high of about 34 degrees and cooling down to around 32 by the afternoon. Tonight, expect partly cloudy skies and a low of around 22 degrees. The wind will be from the southwest at around 1 to 5 miles per hour. In Fort Wayne, there's a chance of scattered snow showers before 11 a.m. today, with a high near 33 degrees. There'll be winds from the west at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and gusts up to 25 miles per hour. The chance of precipitation is around 50%, so you might want to carry an umbrella just in case. Tonight, it will mostly be cloudy with a low of around 19 degrees. In Evansville, the day looks sunny with temperatures reaching near 38 degrees and falling to about 34 by the afternoon. The wind will be from the west-northwest at around 2 to... Unfortunately, we don't have a forecast for Louisville today, but in Lexington, it's going to be sunny with a high near 36 degrees and winds from the west at about 6 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight we'll see mostly clear skies with a low of around 20 degrees. In Bowling Green, you'll have clear skies overnight with a low of around 24 degrees. Friday looks sunny with temperatures reaching near 41 degrees and winds from the northwest at about 2 to 6 miles per hour. Over in Ohio, Columbus will see a slight chance of snow showers tonight with mostly cloudy skies and a low of around 26 degrees. The wind will be from the west at around 10 miles per hour, with gusts up to 24 miles per hour. There's about a 20% chance of precipitation. Friday looks like it'll have a chance of snow showers before noon, with partly sunny skies and a high near 36 degrees. In Cleveland, there's a higher chance of snow tonight, with patchy blowing snow and cloudy skies. The low will be around 30 degrees with winds from the west at about 23 miles per hour, gusting up to 33 miles per hour. There's a 70% chance of precipitation, and new snow accumulation could reach 2 to 4 inches. Friday looks similar with a high near 36 degrees. Cincinnati will have sunny skies today with temperatures reaching around 36 degrees and winds from the west at about 6 to 9 miles per hour. Tonight it'll be mostly clear with a low of around 21 degrees. In Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh is looking at a chance of snow showers before 1 p.m. today, with mostly cloudy skies and a high near 36 degrees. The wind will be from the west at about 14 to 18 miles per hour, gusting up to 30 miles per hour. There's a 20% chance of precipitation. Philadelphia is going to have sunny skies today, with temperatures reaching around 42 degrees and winds from the west at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Tonight we'll see mostly clear skies with a low of around 29 degrees. Allentown will be mostly sunny today with a high near 41 degrees and winds from the west at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Tonight it'll be mostly clear with a low of around 27 degrees. In Tennessee, Nashville is looking sunny today with temperatures reaching around 45 degrees and falling to about 40 by the afternoon. The wind will be from the northwest at around 0 to 5 miles per hour. Tonight, expect partly cloudy skies with a low of around 28 degrees. Memphis will have sunny skies today with temperatures reaching near 49 degrees and dropping to around 46 in the afternoon. The wind will be from the east at about 0 to 5 miles per hour. There's a slight chance of rain showers after 5 a.m. tonight, so keep an umbrella handy if you're out late. Knoxville is looking sunny today with temperatures reaching near 43 degrees and winds from the west at around 0 to 5. That's your forecast for today from Weatherby. Stay weather aware and have a great day.